Now let's learn how to write probabilities in decimal form. Like we did for fractions, dividing the outcomes where an event happens by the total number of outcomes can give us the probability for that event as a decimal. Going back to the example of the coin flip, let's take the fraction 1/2, the chances of a coin landing on heads, and actually calculate the decimal value. This gives us a probability of 0.50. Typing fractions into your calculator is always allowed on this SAT subject test if you need to know their exact value. You can memorize some of the most common fractions to save time going to your calculator for every one. Here we have a list of simple fractions and their decimal equivalents. Let's solve this problem and make sure to give the answer as a decimal. A special die has a 3 out of 4 chance of rolling the number 2 and a 1 out of 20 chance of rolling the number 5. What is the probability of rolling neither a 2 nor a 5? In other words, any number but 2 or 5. Be careful in problems like this not to confuse the words either and neither. Let's convert the fractions to decimals, with 3/4 becoming 0.75 and 1/20 becoming 0.05. We can't roll more than one number at a time. This means if we want to find the chance of rolling a 2 or a 5, we can actually add their probabilities to get the chances of rolling either 2 or 5. With a 0.75 plus 0.05 equals 0.80 chance of rolling a 2 or a 5, the chances of not rolling either a 2 or a 5 must be 1 minus 0.80 equals 0.20.